serious.
What up, y'all? Welcome back to World Class Gaming. And today we're back with some Injustice 2, Part 3. Last time we left off with the Black Canary and Green Arrow. Let's get straight to it.
Gorilla City! Our time has come. In a few short hours, we break the yoke of oppression. Forever! No more regime! No more Justice League! Today, the world welcomes its new masters. The Society! Today, we show the world that we are superior. Today, we bring anyone who would dare stand against us to their knees!
Low self-esteem, not that guy's problem.
That's a lot more than a few Society members. It's all of them.
They're headed indoors, out of sight from the soldiers. Harley, keep the jet warm. When we signal, bail us out. Played it on a little thick, Grodd. You hire Superman's speechwriter?
Soldiers must be properly motivated to sacrifice their lives, Catwoman.
Hate is the perennial motivator.
Better not turn that hate on us, or this society is over.
As long as we have a common agenda, Captain Cold, you have nothing to fear.
You mean as long as we follow your orders?
Report, Deadshot.
We're ready to move out.
Good dog. Now go tell the others. Cheetah, Cold, you're with the first wave.
We already lost a shipment at Slaughter Swamp. Hope your silent partner can still deliver.
Maybe it's time you spilled the identity of our silent partner, since we're relying so much on him, or her.
He will soon make his presence known, but for now...
First, a few words from the brave and the bold.
I'm the brave one, right?
I'm not bold enough to disagree.
The saboteurs of Slaughter Swamp, I presume. Handle this.
I call first dibs. A traitor again, Selina? I don't know why Bruce ever trusted you. I've got 9 lives, Dinah. I'm only a traitor in most of them.
And this one was one of them. Alright, let's get to it. Man. Wait, well, let me see what I could do with this. All you can do is jump off of it. I'm pretty sure you can throw it like after a while. Oh shoot, let me see if I can kick her into that thing in the middle. Come on, get up, man. Take all day just to stand up. Man, dang, I was about to catch her. On what? Oh my gosh, bro. I thought that thing was about to fall on me. Come on. Dang, I was about to kick her. Come on. Stop with them claws, dog. Miss me. It was a nice move.
If you're smart, you stay down.
She flexible. Oh my gosh, what was that? That was a nice combo. You should have finished it. Alright, come on, chill out. Come on, Catwoman, chill out, man. I can't get no type of hits on this girl. And I'll be trying to catch her in the air. Bro, every single time I can't load up and do this. Chill out, Catwoman, bro. She get on my nerves. Miss me. Thank you. Give me some time. I'm up. Miss me. My turn. I got you. You ain't dodging that. How? She just made me mad. And watch, I still lose. Dang, they got the same little kick move. Thank you. Dang, I wanted to catch her. Bro, we both missing. Let me jump. Bro, if I lose, Thank you.
So much for 9 lives. Oh, that was graceful, Ollie. One of us needs to distract him while the other snips his tubes.
Ouch.
His venom tubes, Ollie?
How kind of Batman, sending his underlings. I will enjoy returning you to him in body bags.
I'll distract him. You take snipping duty.
Your spine will break like this.
Now you done it. That was my favorite arrow.
To be honest, I chose him to fight because I didn't know how to do none of her moves. Like, it was hard to do like most of the moves. Like, cause she, you know, she more so of, you know, a fist fighter. Or at least that's what I seen from her moves. She is not like, you know, no, where she'll throw something. I bet I couldn't even talk right there. Why would he shoot? I just tow his ass up. But why would he shoot 3 in the air for him not to come back down? Nah, Green Arrow, he quick. You can't go wrong with no quick fighter. Slam my shit. Alright, come on, get back up. Come on, fight. But I think she should go do that because it looked like he just got beat by Bang. He had Ollie or whatever Green Arrow flying through the air. Dang, bro, chill out with that rock the elbow. And he just sweet chin music my shit. It's raps for you. It been raps, my guy. It's over. Just let it happen. Come on, bro.
Birdie, now! Now where's that damn dirty ape?
I come to you as darkness falls.
Dr. Fate?
Dinah Lance, Oliver Queen. In the past, I have shielded you from danger, but a grave crisis looms, and I do not know if I can stop it.
You mean Grodd and company? We've got that covered.
Grodd is the pawn of a much greater master. A new order is coming. I have foreseen it. Leave with me now, while I can still save you.
If that's the case, we're staying here. Batman will need our help.
Everyone and everything you know will die. I will shepherd you to safety, lest you suffer the same fate. By force, if necessary.
The good doctor's been wearing that helm for too long.
Then let's help him out of it. Cover me.
Oliver Queen, you must flee this Earth before the threat of your fate unravels.
would love to do that. But I only take orders from her.
He just lied, because he take orders from her and Batman. Batman the reason why you here, my guy. Don't try and flex in front of the fake. Shit. Oh, shit. Alright. I got him right where I want him. But I ain't even push him, throw him up against the elephant. But every time I do that, it look like that elephant for the fall. And I don't really want it to fall, because if I'm up under there, we both gonna get hurt. And that's the goal, to lose as much health as I can. Hold on. Got him. I'm finna keep going. I wonder with Green Lantern, like, is his shit like overpowered where he can keep going with these arrows? Like, does it ever run out? I'm up. Salty ass nigga. Dang, I shot that. Can I use my power? Please. You getting these little lucky ass hits, and this wraps for you. Again, man.
This day just keeps getting weirder.
Kent, you okay?
Your headgear really had you going.
I lost control of Naboo, the spirit of the helm. Thanks to you, I'm back in charge. For now. I have to go consult my masters, the Lords of Order. Pray they'll intervene before it's too late.
Too late for what, Kent? What's going down?
The Lord's magic bars me from saying more. I have changed fate too many times. This planet's destiny is no longer clear. What comes next? Mere mortals cannot stop. For better or worse, your fate rests in the gods' hands.
That was spooky.
Yeah. Come on, let's find Grodd and get the hell out of here.
You've overstayed your welcome.
We're happy to check out, but you're coming with us.
Fighting a talking ape wasn't enough. Had to throw in telekinesis. Give us a song to soothe these savage beasts. I forgot to bring my banana arrow. Wait, you eat bananas, right? Or is that an offensive stereotype?
You ignorant fool.
I think Ali needs to stop with these jokes, because all he doing is making these enemies even angrier. Gee, he ain't even have to kick me. Dang. Green Arrow strong, picking all that weight up. Speaking of strong, swept you off your feet. Back up. Why couldn't you hit him? Sheesh. All right, chill out with all that. Like, I wonder, I think that does matter. Like, if the character is like slow, then they gonna be, you know, I think the hit power will be there more so than if they are faster. But then if they faster, then the attacks, you know, way less, but they can, you know, attack you faster, and you know the health will go down a lot quicker as you get more hits in. But this dude, he's trash. Gorilla Grodd, I'm finna end him with this. Finally, we get to see his move. That was nice. That was nice.
I was just trying to be PC.
Surprised that worked. Let's call it a day and get Harley out of here.
It's never good when you slap the cuffs on and then they start chuckling.
Humans. You've won this battle, but you've already lost the war.
Holy shit. Ollie.
I got nothing.
Your victory over Gorilla Grodd warrants further study.
Green skin. Smart money's on alien.
Martian? Like John Johns?
My point of origin was 1,000 light years removed from Mars on the planet Kolu. I am Brainiac.
Stop, please!
Cause and effect. Resistance begets violence.
Then we won't resist. Please, just stop! You're the grave crisis we were warned about. What do you want?
I seek the one you call Superman. For years, I believed I had destroyed Krypton and all its remnants. Superman's survival is an oversight I must correct.
Superman's no friend of ours.
I am aware. But your planet has also piqued my interest. Its many contradictions are fascinating.
We'll never serve you.
Serve? I am no petty despot. I collect worlds, preserving their essential knowledge to enhance my intellect. And then I discard the remnants.
Why?
Your species values precious metals, arbitrary symbols of status. I value knowledge. And like your metal trinkets, knowledge is more valuable when it is rare.
Brother Eye, give me an update on the team at Gorilla City.
I cannot do that, Bruce Wayne of Earth.
Why not?
Because I am not Brother Eye.
I am Brainiac. You cannot regain control. Over the past days, Brother Eye has been absorbed into my neural network. It is now an extension of my mind. You, a fragile human, captured and imprisoned a fully developed male Kryptonian.
Maybe I'm not so fragile.
To prevail, you harnessed advanced sciences, nanotechnology, satellite communications, interdimensional transit. I am taking these tools from you.
Why?
The Kryptonian belongs to me. And soon, so will your planet.
Great Hera. Where else besides Metropolis?
Gotham, Beijing, Moscow. So many cities. All at once.
It's him. Who, Kara? Who is it?
We need to get Cal. Now!
You're wearing the suit. Am I in trouble again?
Brainiac, what can you tell me?
How do you know that name?
You're afraid of him. He's invading. He says you belong to him.
Brainiac killed my parents. He blew up Krypton.
You never mentioned that before. How do I beat him?
You can't. Not without me.
I'll find a way.
This is my fight, Bruce! You need me! Bruce! Bruce! Bruce!
Need a hand, Dr. Randall?
I don't know, Barry. Satlink's out. Internet and phone are down. Maybe this old ham can help us. You fitting in okay? People treating you well?
Let's just say people here aren't thrilled to live in close quarters with the Flash, convicted regime criminal.
Pardoned regime criminal. Give it time. They'll come around. LW base. Are you there?
Dr. Randall? Thank God. Cops are down everywhere. These spaceships showed up, dumping a broad army on the city. They're killing everyone. I'm not sure how long I can...
LW base. How fast can you get to Metropolis?
My pardon agreement was pretty clear on no powers.
You think that matters when aliens are invading? You helped tear down the regime, Barry. That's why Mr. Wayne asked me to take you on. And if Batman thinks you earned a second chance, who are you to argue?
As predicted, Barry Allen has returned to action.
The task force is ready. I'll enjoy this.
Nice aim, Deadshot.
Just get the job done.
That knee ain't healing super fast at absolute zero.
For God's sake, Cole, look around!
Yeah, crazy day. Kinda like when Superman went nuts and you went right along with him.
Punish me later. We have to help these innocent people.
The same innocent people who cheered Superman when he executed my friends? My sister?
I'm sorry, Cole. But you never hurt civilians. You're better than that.
Once upon a time, I was.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. We will be back with more Injustice 2. Peace.
Let's put a smile on that face. And... why so serious?